Hello, Restoration Center family. Listen up as you do not want to miss what's happening. Our Restoration Center family has been called to the discipleship of individuals, enrichment of families, and advancement of God's kingdom. Join Apostle Thomas Keys and co-pastor Simone Keys Mondays at noon, Tuesdays at 6 a.m. and 7 p.m., Saturdays in the sanctuary at 6 p.m., and Saturday nights online at 9 p.m. Like to worship and work out? Women of Worth meet at 6:30 p.m. every first and third Wednesday for worship sizing in RCBC's Fellowship Hall. Now don't forget Sister to Sister Bossier meets on Mondays at 8 o'clock p.m. via Zoom. Unable to join in person? Watch live via Facebook at Thomas E. Keys or RCBC Media Ministry, or via YouTube at RCBC Media Ministry, or call into our conference line at 720-843-2704. Our access code is 346-5170#. Stay in the know of all things restoration through Facebook, Instagram, X, formerly Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and YouTube at RCBC Media Ministry. Don't forget there are several opportunities to give. If the ministry has been a blessing to you, you may give via Cash App at $RCIM Bossier, $Pastor Keys 15, or $Lady Simone K 66. Go to PushPay and text your seed to 77977 and reply RCIMIN. Or give on our website, restoringbrokenlives.org. To all our visitors online and in the sanctuary, we count it a joy having you here with us at Restoration Center Bossier, where we are in the ministry of restoration. Prayerfully, your time with us is encouraging, inspiring, and life-changing. Blessings to you and yours. See you soon.